So we're gonna try a different game today, you know, a different type of game. It's a competitive fighting game. It's called Tekken 8, right? So we're using here the specs, the RX 7600, and we have a AMD Ryzen. Specs are on the screen, guys. Really cool game here, the Tekken 8. So let me try something a little different, you know, and let you guys into a little competitive fighting game. So, you know, I was thinking recently to, um, you know, a PC over a console. With a PC you could do so many things, guys. A console is just limited to really gaming. So we're gonna check out some features here as well while this is loading up. Let me just load up the screen here. So with this AMD Radeon card, you have a cool feature here. I mean, immediately, guys, when I saw this level of graphics here, it's crazy, and you could actually see the details on this character face here, right? Real details here, guys. What's going on here? All right. So that is real detail. That is what Tekken come to. So I just want to show you some features here that is available with this particular 7600 XT card. And this is all thanks to the software from Radeon. All you had to do to get this activation of the options, you know, if you want to tweak your card a little bit, you know, enable some features. As you can see, it's Tekken 8. Graphics is insane. So all you have to press is Alt and R, and it's gonna bring up the options here for Radeon, right? So you could see that already did a global benchmark test with this specs that I'm running here, and we're getting that 60 FPS, close to 60, but we're getting the 60. So what I enable here, you know, all these are just like default options you could enable. There's nothing to overclock the card or anything. You know, if you wanna use some additional features here, and I was interested in getting the super resolution activated, right? So I activated that, you know, sharpen effect, and it really is a difference when it's disabled. I'll show you in the gameplay as well, and I was able to put on the anti-lag. You know, this will help reduce any kind of lag coming from the game being played, right? So the anti-lag is a real cool feature. It has some other features here you can enable, right? So I like about this particular software feature from the Radeon software is you have a lot of options to select from. You know, if you want to tweak your display, if you have a high-end display and you want to do some tweaking and stuff here, you could do that. You know, AMD FreeSync is a good option to put on as well. You'll see why I tell you that. So most of them is default settings. Really cool. So to get it off the screen, you just press Alt and R, and it's gonna bring you back to the gameplay here. So we're gonna run a little arcade mode. This is Tekken 8, guys. Quite popular franchise here with the Tekken series, and we're gonna test it out, right? So you have the main story, or you could choose to, you know, take it up with a little arcade battle. Real details, guys. You see what's going on here. So this is a competitive fighting game, and this is Tekken 8. I remember you know, going to school in Vancouver, and you know, going to the arcade after school just to play a little Tekken 3. Sometimes you go Gulf City and you want to play a little Tekken tag and stuff. Now Tekken, you know, reach advance. It's Tekken 8 we're talking about here. And not only the technology with the games, the graphics as well is enhanced, right? So look at, for instance, Paul. Paul was a real younger version back in Tekken 3, 2 and 1 and thing. This guy got old. Everybody got old in the Tekken franchise, right? So we're gonna test out the Paul, you know, and
Get ready for the next battle.
oh yeah, just want to show you guys the graphics, the settings. I have it on, you know, I have everything maxed out. So
stay in one piece. I'll pass.
Round one. Fight.
Yeah, so we'll go to our gameplay here. I like how they have the mechanics as Tekken 3 and stuff. All the combos remain the same, you know, how I remember it from the arcade. Real, I mean, alright, they put a feature where they have a kind of a little special. Yeah, so the combos and thing, I mean, I remember in Tekken 3 I learning whole combos here, and it remains the same, guys. It remains the same. Right, so you see how good it running here on the machine. And just a reminder, if you need to get a system designed like this, you know, I could build one for you. You just need to reach out to me, right? So this is a little arcade demonstration here. You know, you come home from work, you wanna just play a little game, a little fighting game, no problem with that. You wanna relax, taking a little Tekken. Yeah, this Tekken 8 is it, guys. Real high graphics. Everything is basically maxed out on the PC, and the PC is handling it pretty well. The CPU, you can see a top left right hand corner, you can see some activities there. You know, you have the GPU at 82% going to 90%, and the CPU is 60% and above, right? And you can see how nice it's handling the game here. And not only the game, it's handling the video as well. Remember why I told you guys, if you want to come in this direction, you know, to do like streaming games and stuff, you get a card with a higher VRAM so you can handle it properly. What? So it has this feature where you can just press the left button and it brings up like you know, a simple, if you want to do like a special move, you just press X instead. And they have a rage art here. I had to try that rage art out. A simple thing if you want to do like combos and thing, like a easy mode, then you know, you have the A for power crush, B for low attacks and stuff. So you can take that off and you can, you know, play it normal with your combo systems and stuff. That rage art is like a super move. Yeah. Alright, so that was just a quick demo here, guys. You know, I still gonna do something a little different, competitive fighting game. Tekken 8, you can see how fast it's working. I have it on the M.2 storage as well, so that could assist in the read and write data being fast. We're getting a solid 60 FPS and above. You know, well, safe to say we're getting 30 and above with the Tekken 8, right? We're getting 60 in the gameplay here. So let's go back to the main menu just to show you the graphics we have it on. Alright, so let me just go to the options here. Alright, and check this out. Graphics settings. Everything is set on ultra. You see what's going on here? So the machine is handling it really well. Alright, so this was a quick demo on the Tekken 8. Let me know if you guys want to get a system like this. You could reach out to me. Gonna just exit this now, and this is a quick demo test on the Ryzen 5500 with Tekken 8.